here we are in Jamaica, Kingston 6, the United States Embassy. There it is. Some rain, light rain, some breeze, persons are out. It's not too bad. Kingston 6, Jamaica. First never come here, sir, and can free up. What do you have to say about the storm, the hurricane, Melissa?
We don't know what to say about it. It's very creepy.
Creepy.
Very creepy. So
It is creepy.
Very creepy.
Oh my God. This is what's happening now. This is a view of the United States Embassy and the bus stops in Kingston 6 this side. We see that cars are on the road. It's Tuesday, October 28th. It's about 11:17 a.m., just a few minutes before midday. A man is crossing the road. We see cars coming. There are no lights in the stoplights. It's not working. Persons from all angles and directions are weathering the pre-storm of this event. So yes, people are on the road. People are on the road. And I went out to get something. I braved the storm and I got what I went to get. Kingston, Jamaica! All right, so once again, we're here in Kingston 6, Jamaica, reporting as a Jamaican citizen. Nothing too scary, but definitely concerning. And I got what I went out to get. Here we are, we're seeing stuff and we're seeing stuff. But we see that Jamaicans are doing what they do. All right, a little bit of damages here and there. Oh goodness. All right, the road is like, that's what's going on. All right. God is good, that's what I'll say. So this view, I'd say, has been a success. All right, let's just do this here. Drive through. Not too bad. So far. All right. This was fun, guys. God is good. God is good. God is good. God is good. All right, God is good. Never you forget it. The miracles, the wonders, the spectacular, majestic glory of the Most High. Everybody's inside. Everybody's inside, alright? This is the tree now. So nobody can pass here. Look at this big tree. Oh my God. Oh no. Oh no. See, we used to put say Hope Road. We can barely see it now. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Look at the big tree. Oh gosh.